Nobody likes unwanted noise on their circuit board. This is why EMC compliance is so important. Late in the product development cycle, compliance testing can be costly and time-consuming, especially if you must try for certification multiple times. What if I told you that you could test for noisy components early in the product development cycle, saving you time and money? With Rohde and Schwarz near-field probes, you can. Here we have the MXO3 oscilloscope displaying the time domain and the frequency domain to help us find the culprit of spurious emissions coming from the circuit board. Similar to a detective using a magnifying glass, simply hold the H-field probe perpendicular to your dot to see the emissions. You can see the values of the peaks by turning on the peak table. Have fun sniffing with the MXO3. See the difference.